Hello kids! Welcome back to our drawing time. Today, we are going to draw a beautiful house together. Are you ready? Let's start. First, draw a big square in the middle of the page. This will be the main part of our house. Now, on top of the square, draw a big triangle. Yes, that's the roof. Next, let's make a door in the middle of the house. Draw a small rectangle. Don't forget the door handle. Great job! Now let's draw 2 windows, one on each side of the door. Just draw 2 squares. To make our drawing more fun, let's add a tree next to the house. And finally, let's draw the sun shining in the sky. Wow, that looks amazing! You did a great job, kids! Don't forget to color your house and make it beautiful. See you next time!